HD high definition smoothing face primer. I'm gonna put this primer all over my face. Ooh. Yes, I do put a lot of primer on because my face gets extremely greasy and oily. Now that I have done my face, my primer, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna start with brows. So I'm actually gonna outline my brows. I got 3 concealers from Miss A. I got Pure Beige, that's this. I got Toffee, which is this. And I got Suede, which is this. I'm gonna do swatches of them for you guys. This is Suede, this is Toffee, and this is Pure Beige. I got 3 because I wanted a upper brow color, I wanted an underbrow and highlighting color, and then I just got this to see how bright it was, to see if it could have been a highlighting color. No, I can use it more as a primer or whatever, but yeah, that's those 3. It's like a, it feels creamy. It's like a creamy concealer. I don't have my eyebrow brush. Ah! I'm going to use Toffee on my under eye. My brows need to shape up now. Now I'm going to take Toffee and outline my brows. I love how this concealer feels. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just dragging the concealer down. It feels like it dries fast, so you can't really let it. Oh yeah, it does. Can't really let it sit too long. But I like a more drying concealer. Anyways, yeah, you really gotta blend this out now. I let this sit a little too long, and you can tell the difference of when you can tell where I waited too late because it's light on the side, and then where I blended it right away because it pulled down and it dried. Ooh, child, the dryness. Just know when you put that concealer down, that ain't going nowhere. And I'm going in with Suede on the upper brows. Going in with Suede. Let me just blend this now while I'm here so it doesn't dry up. This is actually blending real nice. Focus. Ooh, look at that thing. I think this might be my new favorite concealer. Y'all know one side eyebrow always looks thinner than the next. This is my bad eyebrow. And I'm gonna just blend it. Smoney Jesus could save this next eyebrow right now. Okay, so now I've outlined my brows. I'm gonna go in with the sculpting brow pencil. I got it in dark brown. Tips like this. I love it. I love it. But this is how their pencils look. It looks more like a wax tip. I just love it. So I'm just gonna go and fill in my brows right now. Like I said, this color is dark brown. So this is my brows filled in. Just gonna take my finger and do the ends right there. So I know nobody telling me my brows too close together and boogery. So I'm going to move on to eyes right now. So my husband, he picked this Starry Boutique Colors makeup palette. It's like a compact palette. This is how it looks. Can't see because of the ring light, but this is how it looks. Okay, this is how the colors look. They have like an iridescent color, green, brown, it's like a pinkish red, and a dark brown, then a goldy color, and then it comes with a blush in the middle. I think it is. I think that's a blush. Oh, these are off-brand blending brushes. Take my blending brush. I'm gonna go into this middle color right there. So I'm gonna take this middle color right here. I use this as a transition color. I'm gonna use this, scratch that, the eyeshadow primer. It's in the color Nude on my lid. Anything to make my life more difficult, right? Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that it's lifting. Anything to make my life more harder. I'm not getting any fallout, which is a plus. But because of the primer lifting, it's looking real jaded right now. It's looking patchy. Just had to go and put that on, right? Great job, Shandies. And all of these are metallics. I'm gonna use this brown right here. I'm just gonna go in right there. Well, the shimmer saved where the primer was showing, it covered that. And now I'm gonna use a tiny brush and I'm gonna go into this color right here for a highlight. I want to actually go into these two for my inner corner highlight. The shimmers are pretty, just can't make a look of these. They're pretty on its own, but not together, because how could you really just do a whole shimmery look? No, sorry. Got 3 liquid liners. They are Fame, Spotlight, and Golden Girl. This is Fame, like a bronzy. Spotlight is iridescent white. And Golden Girl is like what it says, a gold. So that's Spotlight, that's Golden Girl, and that's Fame. I took that and did an extended wing. It's very smooth. It feels drying though. Yeah. There's some lashes from them called Ari. And now I'm gonna move on to face. I got 3 different types of foundation. I got the Zuri Flawless. It's the foundation stick in Dusk, Amber Bronze. To powder, Zuri Flawless foundation. And that's how that looks. I got that in bronze. So this is how the cream, the powder foundation looks. It came with a little sponge inside, so I just used that. Let me look in my mirror now. The one that matches my skin tone the most is the stick foundation in Dusk. Yeah. So I'm going to wipe these off and then I'm going to put the foundation on my face. I'm going to move in with Dusk. And that's another thing. I got a pressed powder in amber bronze. So I hope, I don't know what I was thinking. I was supposed to get it in the stick foundation too. So I hope and pray. This is like a highlight color. And I got their beauty blender. And I got this one because I think it could be a dupe to Rihanna's the Fenty sponge. Go into their other sponge, the teardrop sponge, and I actually got their Studio Perfect setting powder in the color banana. So I'm going to use that to set my highlight. Now I'm going to go on to the teardrop sponge, which is very soft, and I'm going to take it right under my eyes where I place that highlighting color. That is the lashes, Aria, I think they're pronounced. I'm just going to put on some of the Fat Lash mascara. Just going to put that on. Well, I got put on lashes anyway too. Well, actually I'm going to move on to liquid liner. It's the Amuse Cosmetics liquid liner, and yeah, it's a eyeliner and a liquid liner. So what I'm going to do is use the eyeliner and smudge my under eye. I smudge my under eye, and now I'm going to draw my wing liner. So I'm finished with the eyes, and now I'm going to move on to the lips. I got the Muse Cosmetics matte lipstick, and this is in denim. This is the Lumi Radiant Blush. Let me swatch that. And I'm going to put that, this is my brush. Ooh, look at that glow. Ooh. That glow is what's up. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? This is the final look. Look at that. This is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. This is gonna be like my nude lippy for work, like, you know, when I don't wear lipstick and stuff, because I'm extra and this is extra and it's not like lipstick. I love it. Thank you guys for watching another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you could be notified when I post up a new video. Please join the family. You know, just a Bahamian girl trying to make it somewhere. And don't forget, don't go broke trying to pop style for these people. Bye.